In 2007 and 2011, pho and banh mi were officially added to the Oxford Dictionary.
Since then, many Vietnamese dishes have gained international fame, featured on CNN, TasteAtlas, and Rough Guides. So in this video, we're counting down 7 famous Vietnamese dishes that have made their mark around the world. And here's something even more special. There's one humble ingredient that quietly connects all 7 dishes. Stick around, because that secret will be revealed at the end.
Number 7. Cơm tấm.
This is a hearty Vietnamese dish made from fractured rice grains, traditionally considered a poor man's food, but now celebrated as a beloved street food staple. It's typically served with grilled pork, a fried egg, shredded pork skin, pickled vegetables, and a signature fish sauce drizzle. It comes from southern Vietnam, where it originated as a practical working-class meal. Farmers and laborers would use the broken grains that couldn't be sold, turning them into a flavorful, filling dish and become a local icon for breakfast and lunch. What makes it so unique isn't just the toppings, it's the texture of the rice itself. Unlike whole jasmine rice, broken rice grains are smaller and softer, with a slightly sticky and chewy texture. It's subtle but deeply comforting, a texture and taste you won't find in any other rice dish. Moreover, the perfect contrast of textures is also what makes this dish unforgettable. Tender grilled meat, chewy rice, crispy edges from the fried egg, and the slightly sweet savory nuoc mam sauce tying it all together. It's a humble dish, but incredibly satisfying. It has appeared in global food guides and was praised by TasteAtlas and Eater for its rich cultural roots and flavor profile. It's become a must-try for anyone visiting Ho Chi Minh City. Eaten at any time of the day, morning, noon, or even late at night,
Cơm tấm
is often enjoyed at small plastic table street stalls with a side of iced tea. It's a no-fuss meal, just bold flavor and pure comfort on a plate.
Number 6. Bánh xèo.
It is a crispy golden Vietnamese pancake made from rice flour, turmeric, and coconut milk, then stuffed with a savory mix of pork, shrimp, bean sprouts, and herbs. The name bánh xèo means sizzling cake, inspired by the sound the batter makes when it hits the hot pan. While the core ingredients remain the same, each region in Vietnam puts its own twist on the dish. In the south, it's larger, thinner, and filled generously. In the central region, it's often smaller and more delicate. It is loved for its crispy outside and fresh herb-packed inside. It's eaten by wrapping pieces of the pancake in lettuce or rice paper, adding fresh herbs and dipping it in a sweet, savory fish sauce. It's a dish that brings your hands into the experience, vibrant, messy, and full of flavor. Locals often enjoy it for lunch or dinner, especially as a fun, shareable dish during social gatherings. It's a fun, shareable dish that's meant to be eaten fresh off the pan, with friends or family gathered around the table. Crispy, fragrant, and full of contrast. It's the sound, smell, and taste of Vietnam all in one bite. Number 5.
Bún bò Huế.
It is a spicy, aromatic noodle soup made with beef, lemongrass, thick round rice noodles, and optionally served with pork hock or blood cube. The broth is bold and fragrant, a balance of spicy, sour, salty shrimp paste and umami, with a signature orange hue from annatto oil and chili. As the name suggests,
Bún bò Huế
originates from Hue, the former imperial capital of Vietnam in central Vietnam. Known for its refined royal cuisine, Hue brings that same elegance and complexity to this iconic noodle soup. What sets
Bún bò Huế
apart is its intensity in flavor, aroma, and depth. Unlike the clear, delicate broth, this soup is deep, rich, and fiery, with layers of lemongrass, shrimp paste, and chili oil. It was famously praised by Anthony Bourdain as the greatest soup in the world. Today, it is enjoyed at any time of day across Vietnam, from early mornings to late night cravings. It's often served with a basket of herbs, lime wedges, sliced banana blossoms, and optional chili for extra kick. Hearty, spicy, and soul-warming, it isn't just a meal, it's a powerful expression of Central Vietnam's culinary identity. Number 4.
Bún chả.
It is a classic Vietnamese dish made with grilled pork patties and slices of marinated pork belly, served in a bowl of light fish sauce-based broth. It's paired with a mound of thin rice noodles, fresh herbs, pickled papaya, and carrot. It is believed to have originated in Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, where it remains one of the most iconic and beloved local dishes. What makes bún chả stand out is its balance of smoky, savory, sweet, and fresh. The pork is grilled over open charcoal, giving it a deep caramelized flavor. The broth is light but full of depth, and when combined with the noodles and herbs, each bite is vibrant and refreshing. You dip, mix, and build your own perfect bite. It's an interactive experience as much as it is a flavorful one. Bún chả gained international spotlight when President Barack Obama and Anthony Bourdain sat down to eat it together in a small Hanoi restaurant in 2016, a moment that made headlines around the world. Since then, it's been featured on CNN, BBC, and countless food blogs as a must-try northern Vietnamese dish. Bún chả is typically enjoyed during lunch or dinner, often at small eateries where the scent of grilled pork fills the air. It's not a dish you rush. It invites you to sit down, dip slowly, and savor the contrast between smoky meat, cool noodles, and crisp herbs. A true Hanoian classic. Simple, soulful, and unforgettable. Number 3.
Gỏi cuốn.
Spring roll are translucent rice paper rolls filled with vermicelli noodles, shrimp, pork, herbs, and crisp vegetables. They're served cold and dipped into a classic sweet sauce or fermented fish sauce. It can be found all across Vietnam, but the southern-style version, with shrimp, pork, fragrant herbs, and dipped in fermented sauce or hoisin peanut sauce, is the most popular. What makes spring rolls stand out is its freshness. Unlike fried spring rolls, these are light and healthy, celebrating the textures of crunchy vegetables, soft noodles, and tender shrimp or pork. Every bite offers a refreshing mix of cool, fragrant, and savory. It's clean eating, but full of flavor. Spring rolls has appeared on global food rankings by CNN, The Guardian, and TasteAtlas, often listed among the best appetizers in the world. Its healthy appeal and photogenic presentation have made it a favorite in Vietnamese restaurants from Paris to Los Angeles. Spring rolls is eaten as a snack, appetizer, or even a light meal, often made fresh at the table and dipped bite by bite. It's a common sight at family gatherings and street stalls alike, where you'll see hands wrapping and dipping with ease. Number 2.
Bánh mì.
This is Vietnam's iconic baguette sandwich, a light, crispy loaf filled with a flavorful mix of meats, pickled vegetables, herbs, and sauces. It's portable, affordable, and packed with bold contrasts in every bite. Banh mi originated during the French colonial era, but it truly took on a Vietnamese identity in the mid-20th century when locals began using rice flour for a lighter, crispier texture. Over time, they replaced European cold cuts with Vietnamese fillings like grilled pork, pate, meatballs, or fried eggs. What makes banh mi special is its balance of flavor and texture. The crunch of the bread, the richness of pate or meat, the freshness of cilantro and cucumber, the zing of pickled carrots, and a drizzle of soy or chili sauce to bring it all together. It's portable, affordable, and deeply satisfying. Banh mi was officially added to the Oxford English Dictionary in 2011, cementing its place in global food culture. It has been praised by CNN, BBC, and is now sold in food trucks and bakeries around the world. Banh mi is a go-to meal at any hour, whether it's a quick breakfast, an on-the-go lunch, or a late-night bite. You'll find it everywhere in Vietnam. It's Vietnam's answer to fast food done right. Number 1.
Phở.
Is Vietnam's most iconic noodle soup, a fragrant bowl of flat rice noodles served in a clear aromatic broth, typically with thinly sliced beef or chicken. It's topped with green onions, herbs, and often a squeeze of lime or a few slices of chili. It is believed to have originated in northern Vietnam in the early 20th century. Over time, it spread across the country, evolving into different regional styles. with the north favoring a clearer, more delicate broth and the south adding more herbs, bean sprouts, and condiments. What makes it extraordinary is its broth, slow simmered for hours, sometimes overnight, using beef bones, charred onion, ginger, cinnamon, star anise, and other warm spices. The result is deep, comforting, and full of umami. Combined with silky noodles and tender meat, it's a dish that feels like a warm hug, simple yet layered with complexity. It was officially added to the Oxford English Dictionary in 2007 and has become a global ambassador for Vietnamese cuisine. It's been praised by the New York Times, Anthony Bourdain, and featured in food documentaries worldwide. Today, restaurants can be found in nearly every major city, from Tokyo to Toronto, Paris to Melbourne. In Vietnam,
Phở.
is enjoyed morning, noon, and night. Locals gather at steamy street stalls or tiny family-run shops, often before sunrise, slurping quietly before a busy day. But no matter where you have it, is more than just a dish. It's a cultural ritual, a national treasure, and a taste of Vietnam in every spoonful. So, these 7 dishes are more than just food. They're a reflection of Vietnam's culture, history, and creativity. And remember what we mentioned at the beginning? There's one ingredient that quietly connects them all: rice. Whether it's in noodles, pancakes, rolls, or even broken grains, rice is the foundation of Vietnamese food. Simple, nourishing, and endlessly versatile. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys through Vietnamese food and culture.